The dawn of a new era. The BMW iX3 Neue Klasse. When innovation meets emotion, the future of driving takes form. This is the BMW iX3 Neue Klasse, where silence speaks power and technology breathes life into motion. The BMW iX3 Neue Klasse is the first production model of BMW's new generation platform, a 100% electric SUV built for efficiency, performance, and digital luxury. It introduces a new design philosophy, advanced 6th generation eDrive system, and sustainability-first interior. It's built at BMW's Debrecen plant in Hungary, which operates entirely without fossil fuels. Exterior design. Outer parts. Overall styling, the exterior is clean, sculpted, and futuristic, built around BMW's new reductionist design language. Fewer lines, more purpose. It's instantly recognizable as a BMW, but with new proportions. Wide stance, long wheelbase, short overhangs, and aerodynamic shaping for maximum range. Dimensions, approximate. Length, 4.8 meters. Width, 1.9 meters. Height, 1.65 meters. Wheelbase, 2.9 meters. These proportions give it a commanding SUV presence while maintaining the agility BMWs are known for. You think you've seen luxury? Think again. Subscribe to Luxury Car Hub Official and like this video, because in the next few minutes, you'll discover secrets about the BMW iX3 Neue Klasse that even most enthusiasts don't know. Front design kidney grille, closed panel. The signature twin kidney grille is now sealed for aerodynamics, since an EV doesn't need large airflow for cooling. It's highlighted with illuminated edges and intricate 3D patterning, serving both an aesthetic and functional purpose. Headlights. Ultra-slim LED units with BMW's new twin horizontal DRL signature, optional laser light or matrix LED systems offer adaptive beam control and animated welcome graphics. Front bumper and air curtains. The bumper channels air around the wheels through air curtains, reducing drag. The lower lip integrates sensors for ADAS, advanced driver assistance systems like collision prevention and lane control. C3D door, side profile door handles, flush with the body for better aerodynamics and a clean appearance. Character lines. One strong shoulder line runs from the front lights to the rear, emphasizing motion even when standing still. Glass house. Black high-gloss window surrounds create a floating roof effect. Wheels. 19 to 21-inch aero-optimized alloy wheels with aerodynamic inserts that reduce turbulence. Charging port, hidden behind a seamless flap on the left rear quarter panel. Born in a carbon-free factory, crafted for a cleaner planet, the BMW iX3 isn't just an electric SUV. It's proof that luxury can lead the way to sustainability. Rear design LED tail light bar. A continuous light strip connects both tail lights, creating a wide visual stance. Dynamic indicators and welcome animations give a high-tech look. Rear diffuser. Instead of exhaust pipes, the iX3 features a sculpted diffuser that improves airflow under the car. It's accented with blue BMW i details, symbolizing its electric identity. Spoiler and roof design. A subtle rear spoiler enhances downforce and contributes to the vehicle's long 500-mile range. Exterior functionality, panoramic glass roof. Large frameless roof letting natural light flood the cabin. Adaptive LED matrix. Lights with cornering function. Hands-free. Power tailgate with gesture control. Acoustic glass windows to reduce wind and road noise. Active air flaps in the grille and lower bumper that open when cooling is needed. It doesn't just drive. It thinks, learns, and feels. The BMW iX3, powered by the intelligence of the Neue Klasse, where the future is already in motion. Interior design. Inner parts. General layout: the interior of the iX3 is completely reimagined for the Neue Klasse generation. It's minimal yet warm, high-tech yet human. Everything is oriented around the driver. A concept BMW calls eyes on the road, hands on the wheel. Dashboard and displays: BMW Panoramic iDrive. Operating System X. Full-width panoramic vision display. Across the windscreen projects navigation, speed, and alerts directly into the driver's line of sight. Head-up display, optional, adds depth perception to road and driving data. Central curved display, approx. 14.9-inch touchscreen. Merges infotainment and vehicle settings. Minimal physical buttons. Most functions are touch, voice, or gesture controlled. Steering wheel, new flat bottom design with touch-sensitive multifunction zones. Integrated haptic feedback and illuminated icons. Paddles control regenerative braking levels for drive modes. Materials and craftsmanship: Econeer. Materials: standard. Leather-free cabin, using sustainable microfiber and recycled yarns. Feels premium, soft to touch, with elegant stitching patterns. Trim options: open pore natural wood, brushed aluminium, or recycled plastic composite. Seats: sculpted for long-distance comfort with temperature-adaptive foam. Multi-way electric adjustment, memory, and optional massage ventilation. Ambient lighting, dynamic multicolor LED strips along doors, dash, and console. Responds to driving mode, e.g., Torrens, Satisturgeon, blue in efficient, red in sport. Sound system: Bowers & Wilkins Diamond Surround. Sound with 20-plus speakers and 3D acoustic processing. Integrated seat transducers for immersive audio. Cabin space and comfort. Seating farves. Feet. Passenger layout with generous head and legroom. Flat floor, no transmission tunnel. Adds space for rear occupants. Storage. 520 liters boot capacity. Expandable to $1,600. Liters with rear seats folded. Front. Frunk for cables and small luggage. Climate. Control forward-zone climate system with smart cabin preconditioning via app. Uses waste heat from the powertrain to heat cabin efficiently. Lighting and ambience: BMW iconic sounds. Electric, developed with Hans Zimmer. Custom soundscapes for startup, acceleration, and braking. Welcome and goodbye light sequences. Car greets driver with animated lights and ambient music. Panoramic glass roof, electrochromic tinting for privacy or heat control. 500 miles of electric freedom, zero compromise, and one mission: to redefine what a BMW can be. Meet the all-new iX3, the dawn of the Neue Klasse. Herna Twinsies, inner mechanical and digital systems, powertrain dual motor setup. AWD. Rear. Electrically excited synchronous motor. EESM. Front. Asynchronous motor. ASM. Combined output. 469 HP. 350 kWh. 645mm torque battery. Naris 108.7 Fl usable capacity. 800V system range, up to 500 miles. WLTP charging. DC, up to 400 kilobars, 80% in 21 minutes. AC, up to 22 tand, C2 braking, up to 98%. Regenerative braking capability. Digital architecture. 4 Super Brain computers for driving dynamics, heart of joy, automated driving and parking infotainment and navigation comfort systems, climate, seats, access, processing power. Up to 20x faster than previous gen BMW systems. Over-the-air OTA updates for new features and function. Advanced Driver Assistance Suite. Level 2 Plus now. Level 3 ready. Chassis and ride adaptive air suspension with continuous damping control. Perfect 50-50. Weight distribution. Tadi low center of gravity due to floor mounted. Battery. Variable ratio electric steering with predictive algorithms, a torque vectoring and dynamic. Stability control integrated into Heart of Joy. Sustainability and production built in Debrecen, Hungary. BMW's first zero fossil fuel plant. Life cycle CO2 emissions 30% lower than the outgoing iX3. Uses closed-loop recycling for aluminium, steel, and battery materials. Battery modules designed for easy disassembly and reuse. The BMW iX3 Neue Klasse isn't just an electric SUV. It's the template for BMW's future. From its minimalist aerodynamic exterior to its eco-luxury interior, everything has been re-engineered for sustainability and emotion. Inside, you get futuristic displays, soft-touch sustainable materials, and whisper-quiet refinement. Outside, you see clean, timeless BMW design evolved for the electric age. Balanced proportions, advanced aerodynamics, and unmistakable presence. It's the most advanced BMW SUV yet, representing a blend of performance, intelligence, and environmental responsibility that defines the Neue Klasse generation. The story of the BMW iX3 Neue Klasse begins long before its debut, under the bright lights of Munich. Before the flash of cameras and the hum of journalists, it begins in the quiet determination of engineers who asked a simple question: what should the future of driving feel like? In 2026, that question receives a breathtaking answer. The new BMW iX3 50X Drive is more than the latest sports activity vehicle. It is the first series production model of the Neue Klasse, the vehicle that ushers in a completely new chapter for BMW. This car is not a refresh, nor merely an evolution. It is a revolution in metal, glass, electrons, and intelligence. A vision becomes reality for decades. BMW's promise has been sheer driving pleasure. With the Neue Klasse, that promise transcends its combustion-era origins. The iX3 encapsulates electrification, digitalization, and circular sustainability in one cohesive design language. Every surface, every kilowatt, every line of code serves a single mission: to make driving electric feel as emotional, as precise, and as inspiring as the finest ICE-powered BMW ever built. When Oliver Zipse, chairman of the board of management of BMW AG, first described the Neue Klasse project, he called it our biggest leap into the future. The iX3 validates those words with tangible innovation. Built at BMW Group Plant Debrecen, the first BMW facility powered entirely without fossil fuels, the iX3 stands as a symbol of a carbon-neutral tomorrow. From this Hungarian heartland emerges a car that rewrites the rulebook for sustainable performance. Design language. Reduction as art at first glance. The iX3's form is unmistakably BMW, yet unmistakably new. The designers pursued reduction with character. Clean surfaces, defined volumes, precise contours, and confident proportions. Gone are decorative flourishes. In their place, sculptural simplicity reigns. The kidney grille, iconic for generations, has evolved into a sealed, aerodynamically functional design, edged in subtle light. The headlights, slimmer than ever, stretch inward like a focused gaze. At the rear, a single light bar traverses the width of the vehicle, connecting both tail lamps in one elegant stroke. This clarity of design is not minimalism for its own sake. It's a reflection of purpose. Every line channels air, manages energy, or communicates agility. The car's drag coefficient drops significantly compared with its predecessor, allowing the iX3 50X Drive to extract maximum distance from every kilowatt hour. Performance reimagined. Under the sleek bodywork lies the 6th generation BMW eDrive technology, the beating heart of the Neue Klasse. Engineers have redefined electric performance with a completely new architecture. At its core is an 800-volt system, doubling the voltage of conventional EVs. The benefits are dramatic: higher efficiency, lighter wiring, reduced thermal load, and faster charging. Connected to this advanced backbone are two electric motors, an electrically excited synchronous motor, EESM, on the rear axle, and a compact asynchronous motor, ASM, at the EVD front. Together they form the intelligent X-Drive all-wheel drive system, balancing traction and efficiency with mathematical precision. The result is seamless power delivery. Instant, controllable, exhilarating. The total system output reaches approximately 469 horsepower, 350 kilowatts, and 645 newton-meters of torque. Winches Dries CJ, delivering the thrust of a sports car with the grace of a grand tourer. With these components, the iX3 achieves something unprecedented. A WLTP range of up to 500 miles, the longest of any electric vehicle on sale in the UK at launch. This milestone is not achieved by brute force battery size alone, but through a symphony of improvements: optimized energy density, regenerative braking refinement, and next-generation control software. Rapid energy, effortless range charging, often the Achilles heel of long-distance EV travel, becomes a highlight in the iX3. Thanks to its 400 kW DC rapid charging capability, the car can add up to 231 miles of range in just 10 minutes, faster than it takes to grab a coffee. At an 800-volt high-power charging station, electrons flow with astonishing speed, while the sophisticated thermal management system ensures longevity for the battery's high-voltage cells. The cylindrical cell design, debuting in this model, offers 20% more energy density, 30% quicker charging, and 25% greater manufacturing efficiency. For the driver, the numbers translate to liberation. Fewer stops, more spontaneity, and a newfound sense of electric freedom. The heart of joy, a digital soul. But the iX3 is not only about the hardware. Beneath its skin lies a completely new digital nervous system, a super brain architecture, with 4 central computers orchestrating every aspect of the vehicle's behavior. Thrown over to the emotional core sits the heart of joy system, BMW's dynamic control intelligence. It fuses drivetrain management, braking, steering, and regenerative feedback into one holistic algorithm, recalculating conditions up to 10 times faster than traditional control units. Every input, throttle, brake, steering, even surface friction, is analyzed in milliseconds. The result? Driving that feels alive, intuitive, connected. It is as if the car anticipates the driver's intentions before they're fully expressed. Through the heart of joy, efficiency reaches new heights. Up to 98% of braking maneuvers can be handled solely through energy recuperation, converting deceleration directly into usable range. A separate super brain governs automated driving and parking functions, delivering level 2+ assistance that merges seamlessly with human control. With 20 times the computing power of prior generations, it coordinates camera, radar, LiDAR, and ultrasonic inputs with precision once reserved for aerospace systems. The Panoramic iDrive, an interface to the future step inside, and the transformation continues. Across the windscreen stretches a panoramic vision display, projecting information onto the entire width of the glass, layered for natural depth and minimal distraction. This augmented band presents navigation, speed, energy flow, and safety cues in perfect alignment with the driver's line of sight. Complementing it is the optional 3D head-up display, which adds spatial awareness and depth cues to navigation and driver assist visuals. Together, they define BMW's next-generation user experience. Hands on the wheel, eyes on the road, full immersion in the drive. In the center console, a newly sculpted central display offers tactile interaction, while a redesigned multifunction steering wheel integrates haptic response zones. Every element follows BMW's driver-centric DNA, but interpreted for a digital age. The interface learns from the user, adapting menus and lighting to preferences and context. Whether navigating urban streets or cruising the Autobahn, the system's ambient cues and responsive graphics make the vehicle feel intuitive, almost human. Sustainability, by design beyond speed and technology, the iX3 embodies a deep commitment to sustainability. BMW calls it the secondary first approach. More than 30% of the car's total materials come from recycled or renewable sources, dramatically lowering its life-cycle CO2 footprint by the same margin compared with its predecessor. The Econeer interior sets a new standard for eco-luxury. Every seat, surface, and trim element balances comfort, durability, and conscience. The upholstery, fully leather-free, combines soft textures with advanced recycled microfibers. Floor mats are woven from recovered fishing nets. Even the decorative trim uses closed-loop aluminum and responsibly sourced wood. The result is an interior that radiates sophistication without compromise. It feels contemporary, tactile, and distinctly premium. A future where sustainability is seamlessly integrated rather than self-consciously displayed. Built in Debrecen, powered by purpose production of the iX3 marks the inauguration of BMW Group Plant Debrecen, a facility designed from day one for carbon-free operation. Energy comes exclusively from renewable sources: solar, wind, and local green grid supply. Even the painting and body shop lines recycle 96% of heat and process water. This data-driven manufacturing ecosystem is not only efficient, it's the foundation of BMW's future global network. Every future Neue Klasse model will follow Debrecen's blueprint, expanding sustainability from a single plant to an entire philosophy. A leap forward in lifecycle efficiency. Compared with its predecessor, the new iX3 reduces energy losses during power conversion by 40%, component mass drops 10%, and production costs fall 20%, thanks to modular architecture and improved recyclability. Such numbers aren't mere accounting. They represent engineering liberation. Freed from the constraints of older systems, BMW's engineers could chase purity of motion, instant torque, seamless transitions, and perfect weight balance. Launch and market position when UK deliveries commence on 7th March 2026. Priced from $58,755 OTR, the iX350 xDrive will enter the market not as an experimental electric SUV, but as a fully matured statement of intent. It positions BMW squarely against rivals like the Audi Q8 e-tron, Mercedes-Benz EQE SUV, and Tesla Model Y long range, yet surpasses all in WLTP range. Its target audience extends beyond traditional BMW loyalists to a new generation of electric pioneers, drivers who seek emotion as much as efficiency, craftsmanship as much as connectivity. BMW plans to follow this debut with additional Neue Klasse variants, including a compact sedan and a sport-oriented coupe. But the iX3 remains the spearhead, the proof of concept made real.